Hi guys. So hard on my phone. Anyways, I am in our house. It is in framing. And there's a couple things that need to be fixed. This is our bonus room right here. It's above the garage. And right here is our closet, which I'm gonna have to actually extend out a bit because all my decor stuff is gonna go right here because I don't wanna really put it in the attic. And so I need to measure out how big I want this closet. And also I wanted to just show you guys like this current status. We have windows, well, not all of the windows, but for the most part we have windows. And I just wanted to show you guys the framing. So we also did write Bible, oh wow. We also did write Bible verses in the kids' rooms, in our room. So for this house, our dogs currently live in our garage. And for this house, I didn't want them coming in and out the house because of course it's messy, especially when it rains and stuff like that. So I went ahead and had them do a man door right here. This is not original to the plan. So they are doing a man door right here. And that way my husband can take them in and out of the garage without having to have them come into the house. I want like no dog hair if I could avoid it. And then we have here, which is our laundry room. I'm actually having them take this closet out. They didn't listen to me, so this got secured, but this electrical wiring will be out and this closet is gonna be out of here so that it can be like more spacious inside. Hi guys, we are currently at the house and I wanted to show you guys its current state. It's in drywall. They are behind, which is really frustrating, but going to figure out and finalize what paint colors I want for the house. So let me grab my paint fan now that I put the kids in the car. They wouldn't let me do anything. So this is the garage. I just marked what color I wanted in here for this door. And we do have a door also that leads into the garage. This is our laundry room. The lighting in here is a little bit off. That's another reason why I'm like, I don't think I want to go with repost gray. I'm thinking of going with drift of mist. So they have the arches done here. The doors are installed. Eating area. There you go. Eating area. Oh, won't focus. And then this arch, they still need to put the drywall on the other side. But it has the arch there, and they need to finish drywalling it up on this side. I had them do the arch because I didn't like how the straight lines look against that arch right there and that arch right there. And obviously I wanted rounded corners, so I felt like I needed it. So here's the fireplace. This is also another reason why. Okay, let me try and fix this a little bit. Here we go. So I'm doing that blushing color for the girls' room, which kind of looks a little dark there. But in their room, they have a lot of natural lighting, so it looks a little bit lighter. Now, I was originally gonna go with Repose Gray, but it looks so dark in here. And then I did like Gossamer Veil. I had you guys pull that on Instagram, but it also has more of a beigey undertone, which I don't really want. So I think I'm gonna go with Drift of Mist because it's the lightest of all three, and also really looks really good with blushing. This is what it looks like against blushing. So now the last thing that I have to do is just confirm this Drift of Mist next to the Fireplace stone color. So I'll be doing that in a little bit. But let me just go ahead and finish showing you guys. And I am trying to see if the builder would fix that because that looks horrible. And I know they said that they can fix that after, try and make it look a little bit more decent, but to me that's just like, that could have been avoided. So, you know, that's what should have not been like that from the beginning. Bathrooms. So we have, see, so even in here, okay, so let me go. So even in here, Repose Gray looks really dark and Gossamer Veil also looks really dark. So that's why I'm thinking I want to go with Drift of Mist. I just need to confirm it. So here, our bathroom closet, which is really our closet, they go inside the door. I love that. Now they did do this plant shelf, which I originally did not want this, but I'm in the mood, like I don't even care anymore because it's so high up there that it's not something that you will see anyways in pictures. And also I just don't feel like making a big deal to have the house delayed over that, because when the trim, it has trim on it, so once it's painted it'll look nice. So this is where our vanities are gonna go, and our shower, and then our freestanding tub is gonna go right here. Okay, so they fixed my closet. Let me show you guys. This is the closet for the bonus room. So I'm here at the house trying to figure out which paint color I'm gonna go with, and it is such a hard choice because one is a little bit darker and one is a little bit lighter, but with Lightroom filters they look different also for pictures. So I definitely want something that's airy and bright, that's why I want the lighter color, but my husband really likes the darker one, so I'm like kind of struggling. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like in the dining room. I'm like trying to put it in different places of the house so that we can see what it looks like and finalize on the color, but I kind of need to do it quickly because the baby's gonna wake up soon. So yeah, it looks like in the, I'm trying to find the best point of light. Okay, here we go. This is the best point of light. So here, and this is like the eating kitchen area, and this is what it looks like from this point of view. With me today, and she's gonna be helping me pick the paint color. Hopefully I can decide because it's such a hard choice. So as I showed you guys, that is what it looks like in the dining area. And my thing is, the other color is light too, but I feel like when it's dark it might get dark because grays usually get darker, and I wanted a like very airy feel. So that's what's making it more hard, but I know like for Instagram and like video, it might be good to have the darker one so that it contrasts with the furniture, which will be ivory. So yeah, let's grab these paint samples. By the way, I did this blushing color for the girls' room as an accent wall, so it'll be like this. It'll be like an accent wall, and then this color, which personally I think this one looks the best with this one. But we only get to pick one main color, so that is what we have to do. So let me go ahead and bring you guys the samples to the other wall so you guys can see. You want to be my little helper? Hold it for mama. Hold it for mama. Thank you. Okay, come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this thing is so heavy. So let's go ahead and move it over here. So this is the flooring over here. Bebé, dame eso. Dame eso. So, okay, so this is Crushed Ice by Sharon Williams, and this is Classic Gray by Benjamin Moore. So that is what it looks like in this by the Fireplace. And I don't know, although I would love to do the lighter one, because I really wanted that airy feel, I think I'm gonna go with the darker one just because of pictures and to have a little bit more contrast against my couches, because my couches and furniture and most of everything is like neutral, like ivory, creams and stuff like that, and I feel like that would pop more against this than it would against that. So it makes me really sad because I really wanted the classic gray. You like the pink one? She's just running around. Be careful. So let me go ahead and try and move it one more area with my broom and see how that looks. Or maybe I can move it towards the back of the kitchen. I already put it in the dining room. I'm not sure if I showed you guys that. Let me see. I think I did. I have a clip. I don't think I was talking in it, but I have a clip that I filmed. I just don't think I was talking in it. So let me try and grab this. Okay, so we have, again, the flooring with the paint. So I think crushed ice, it is going to be as much as I would love the other one. I would love this one because during the nighttime I feel like it would be better. But crushed ice does look a lot more of a gray, whereas this one is more, oh, the sun is changing, so that's good. So, yeah, this is what it looks like in the dining room. And I'm gonna do these all white instead of having the little boxes inside be a color. So that way it will match the ceilings. And I think that's what we're gonna do. This is what it looks like in the kitchen. It does look a little bit lighter, I'm not sure. I feel like the floor and also the paint looks lighter on video and pictures for some reason. So I think to go final say it's going to be the crushed ice. So we'll go with that and my husband will be happy. And I think just overall, I also texted Chrissy and like, which one do you think? I kept blowing up her phone and she agreed with my husband, surprisingly, to go with this one. And I do agree that it will give a better contrast. I was just more worried about like lighting in the evening. So that is that. That is going to be our selection. They did the pop filler right there, so I'm so excited about that. And let me show you guys, they also finally drywalled the arch. Now tomorrow they're going to go ahead and put the rounded corners on them. And if you don't know what rounded corners are, I'll show you that in a second. But they haven't done the rounded corners on it yet, but they finally did both the inside of the kitchen and the out of the kitchen. It didn't have drywall before, so that's what it looks like with the drywall. Super exciting. We cannot wait to move, you guys. Yeah, so let me show you guys what the rounded corners are, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Rounded corners just means that the corners don't come at a 90-degree angle, that is actually like curved. There's like some curve to it. I think this is a better lighting. So there's like some curve to it. So I did rounded corners on all of the like points and also all of the arches. The only way I didn't do the rounded corners was up here. I just thought that would have probably looked funny. So I left it like, you know, just solid. And here, over here, and then they're gonna do the rounded corners up here tomorrow. But they also did the rounded corners on this arch and this arch right here. So this is the dining room. It does have 2 entry points. Super excited, cannot wait till the house is ready for us to move in. We don't know when that's gonna be. They say end of November. I personally think it might be a little bit longer, but in Jesus' name, it will be, so we could have a home again. And I will keep you guys posted on as much as I can throughout this process. I can't wait to finally start sharing. I'm kind of scared to still share right now while we're still going through everything, because I just feel like anything can always go wrong. And I know that's like negative thinking, but I just want to be 100% sure that this is our home. I'm still battling whether or not I should share, but I will let you guys know soon. I'll hopefully make up my decision to share early or not. But in the meantime, we are just going to keep recording videos for you guys and show you guys the process, and then share whenever it is time for me to be ready to share. So I will see you guys in the next one, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.